Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm gonna tell you guys, is Kashkick legit or not? As you can see, this is one person's review. As they said that he has earned and redeemed points smoothly, mostly opting for gift cards, and it is faster payout. But you need to find out that earning potential is modest. It's about 103-ish in about a month. Of course, that also depends on how much work you do. The task availability is varying by location and demographic. So yeah, that is also you need to be careful about. If you're from somewhere, let's say it's a third world country, and you don't have any solid offer, then obviously you won't be able to make that much. And then payment is you'll get it through PayPal, but only you need to have it after you reach $10, not before that. And yeah, as you can see, these things, and go for it if your country has good deals. Otherwise, I would say it's a waste of time. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.